Hi, my name is Gael and we are going to talk about the programming. What's that, why we use that, and why it's very important in the present. Programming is give a series of command orders or information to the computer. You can think that the computer is a very obedient dog, listening and doing everything that you say. It's like the same, but in the computer you need to learn the language of the computer for give it orders or commands. We use the programming for everything related with technology. Programs can control robots and these robots can run around Mars. We can discover different worlds and programs can programs are in the GPS on your phone. Programs can make simulations of real life and can be funny games. At the present, it's very important to learn to program for make new applications, new games, and new kind of technology that could help us to understand disease and could help to discover other worlds. Thank you for listening and see you later.